later. Okay, today, guys, we are going to be safe for the sun. And we're gonna make Breaking People's Eardrums number 2 test version. So let's go. Fuck my god. Okay, I'm gonna. Where the where is it? I need to find it. I need to find the one I need to use for this. Or yes, this one. No. I found the great one. Yes. Okay. We're just gonna Flamingo. Da 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 da. Okay, I'm sorry guys if you can't hear anything from from the computer itself. It's because I haven't upgraded. So you understand? Okay. Borg, Bjark, Heck. I'm breaking in. I have noted I have down so you can't hear the computer volume, but you can hear the microphone audio. Okay, let's try this out, guys.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.
It'sそうなんだ。次は私がチャットアイスプラスエビ食べよう。っているなんでランディン違う色。ね、何時間してるね。
Okay, that's enough for the. Okay, Fallen. Okay, he's still in here. Hello. What? What'd you say?
What the fucking shout you done the mic for? Playing your fucking mouth, mate. I'm a grown man. You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want the fuck.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.
Okay, now you need to. Okay. When friends need to leave. Shut the fuck up. Okay, you understand? I'm making breaking people's eardrums number 2. Why are you fucking doing me? Come back here, motherfucker! Okay, guys, this was just a test video. Goodbye now.